Welcome to Mampu AI. In this tutorial, we'll look at the main WhatsApp setup paths, including WhatsApp Business, WhatsApp Cloud, and migration. Before connecting WhatsApp, first choose the setup that matches your current number. WhatsApp Business uses the QR-based connection path for an existing WhatsApp Business app. WhatsApp Cloud uses Meta's official onboarding process. If your number is already operating on the WhatsApp API through another provider, use the migration path instead. Let's start with WhatsApp Business. From Settings, open Inboxes. Add a new WhatsApp inbox and select WhatsApp Business. Enter an inbox name and the phone number you want to connect, then create the WhatsApp Business channel. Open WhatsApp Business on your phone and scan the code to link the account. After the connection is complete, choose the agents who should have access to the inbox. Now the inbox is ready. Send a test message from another account and confirm that it appears in conversations. Next, let's connect WhatsApp using WhatsApp Cloud. From Inboxes, add Inboxes and select WhatsApp Cloud. This opens Meta's onboarding process. Sign in with the Meta account that has access to the correct business portfolio. Then select the appropriate WhatsApp business assets and phone number for the connection. Complete the business information requested by Meta. Make sure the details belong to the correct business and are accurate before continuing. Continue with Meta's authorization process. Then completes the WhatsApp Cloud connection using the selected business account. Once the connection is successful, the inbox is ready. Send a test message and check conversations to make sure the new WhatsApp Cloud inbox is receiving messages correctly. The third path is migration. It only required when a WhatsApp API number is already connected through another provider. For migration, first locate the existing API number in Meta WhatsApp Manager and check its two-step verification settings. This guide requires two-step verification to be turned off before migration. Migration is for numbers already hosted by another WhatsApp API provider. WhatsApp API billing is managed in Meta. Choose the correct account and time frame to review transactions and receipts. This account currently has no transactions. Next, let's look at how to protect your WhatsApp account and what to do if it becomes restricted. For a new WhatsApp number, start with genuine conversations and increase activity gradually. Avoid suddenly sending a large volume of unsolicited messages. If the account becomes restricted, use WhatsApp's Request a Review option and provide accurate information for review. Submit the request and wait for WhatsApp's decision. Finally, let's look at WhatsApp account deletion. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, select Account, then choose Delete My Account. Deleting the account is permanent, so only continue when you intentionally want to remove the WhatsApp account. You've now covered the main WhatsApp administration tasks. Next tutorial will continue for TikTok setup and automation. Subscribe for next tutorial.